In order to find trash on OPPO Reno 15, we have a couple of ways that allow you to access all deleted files. Deleted from the last 30 days. So once you go to the app drawer, we can start by going to the My Files app, which is the file manager that we have on this phone, or actually one of them, because we have two in total by default. And if you open the My Files app, then at the bottom in the Files category, you can find Recently Deleted. So you should be able to find everything that you have removed in the last 30 days in the My Files app. However, if you, for example, deleted some photos and videos using the Photos app, then in this case you want to go to Albums at the bottom, and then in here we can scroll down in order to find Recently Deleted as well. And the third option is to use the second file manager, which is the Files app by Google. This works in a pretty much the same way as the My Files app. And in this case, in order to find the trash, we need to tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and then in here you can find trash. And what is interesting is that all photos and videos that you have removed in the Photos app, they can also be found in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.